Welcome to the GMS Podcast, your weekly port of call for the latest on global ship recycling. I'm Henning.
And I'm Ingrid. Let's get straight into this week's market moves.
The Baltic Dry Index nudged higher, closing at 1,979, up just under 1%. Supermaxes and Ultramaxes did the heavy lifting, while Capes continued to sulk. Overall, though, the wider freight complex slipped more than 2%.
Oil kept falling for the third week in a row. WTI settled at $61.9 a barrel, dragged lower by rising U.S. inventories. On currencies, India stole the headlines. The rupee collapsed to a record low in the 88s against the dollar. Pakistan's rupee held steady at 283.5. The Bangladeshi taka eased slightly, while Turkey's lira slumped again, ending at 41.25.
Steel plate prices were mixed. India stayed flat for a second week at about $449 per ton. Pakistan gained $4 to close at $625, while Bangladesh plunged by more than $20 to about $520.
Let's head to the beaches, starting with Bangladesh. Another dead week. No new arrivals, recyclers retreating, and steel prices collapsing. The number of operational yards has dropped to just 21, down from 35, and politics ahead of the 2026 elections are only deepening the gloom.
India faced double jeopardy. Tariffs and sanctions drove the rupee to record lows while steel prices went nowhere. Even with more than 100 HKC-approved yards, activity stayed muted. Only a small general cargo unit touched down in recent weeks. Alang may be busy on paper, but in reality it's more about survival than growth.
Pakistan kept its edge. Adani topped the price tables again, with steel gaining and the rupee steady. A $42 million government plan is underway to build 31 eco-compliant yards by 2026. Yet despite the hunger, no new arrivals landed this week.
And Turkey, more of the same. Steel slipped, the lira weakened, and sentiment stayed weak. Buyers here look closer to paying owners to take ships than the other way around.
Time for our weekly beach breakdown. Bangladesh is lifeless, India is pressured, Pakistan is stable but waiting for tonnage, and Turkey continues to sink.
That's it for week 36. For full details, market rankings, and port positions, download the GMS Weekly on our website or app.
And don't forget to follow GMS on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and X for daily updates.
Until next week, stay sharp and stay safe.